Hi, my name is Hannah Shorts, and today we're going to talk about what happens to digital assets when you die. We all have digital assets. You may have more than what you realize, but what happens to those assets when we die? The answer is actually more complicated than you think. There's a laundry list of rules that survivors must figure out what to do. They find that they not only don't have access to their accounts, but that the data in the accounts may become permanently deleted when they try to log in too many times. Almost all states have passed the revised Uniform Fiduciary Access to Digital Assets Act. Experts are gaining a better understanding of how this act works and what happens to digital assets when owners die. We begin by naming a digital assets fiduciary in your will. The person appointed will be able to gain access to digital assets as directed in the will. If they list their wishes for specific dispositions of the assets, their wishes supersede the terms of service provision of each individual site. Know that these provisions apply only if clients take specific action. Education of family members is important here. Start by creating a complete inventory of all digital assets. There are different types of digital assets: email, contacts, login for phone, rewards programs, hotels, airlines, restaurants, shopping, eBay, Craigslist, Amazon, department stores, online storage accounts, iCloud, data backup sites, finances online, payments, banking, investment accounts, and cryptocurrency. There are also many different types of social media, including Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, Snapchat, WhatsApp, different gaming sites, and fantasy leagues, especially if there's money involved. A checklist for digital assets. Make sure your will has a provision that names a digital assets fiduciary, as well as an alternate if that person cannot serve. In a separate document or in the will itself, list your wishes for each and every digital asset. Do you want your social media sites memorialized, or do you want them completely shut down? Who gets your airline frequent flyer miles? Who should have access to emails, taxes, and social media sites? Where should pictures go? It may be easier to use one of several available services that generate secure passwords for each site and store the passwords and usernames. Using provisions for denial of access until death, the named digital fiduciary should have the master password to that service, plus instructions for any two-factor authentication. Remember that your will becomes a public document upon your death, so don't put any passwords in that document. If you have any questions, please contact us at the number below. Thank you for watching.